Updating your legal name with Basin State Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is completed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Go to Basin State Bank's official website. Look for the section related to customer service or account management to find specific instructions for name changes. Step 3. Fill out the name change form. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach triggers. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your requests. Submit the completed form along with your supporting documents. You can typically do this online, via mail, or in person at your local branch. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with the bank to confirm that your name has been updated in their system. Keep an eye on your account statements for any discrepancies. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Basin State Bank. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for assistance.